Okay, we are out here at Garrison Grove subdivision in Simpsonville, South Carolina. This is fairly new. They're still building out here though, so come pick out your home and your lot. The location is awesome. It's very convenient to everything. So we'll be showing you, some of the subdivision. They do have a little tot lot out here and a doggy park out here and some walking trails. I couldn't find the walking trails, so maybe next time. The prices start right around the $300,000 range. They do have some 1-level and some 2-level homes out here. 3-bedroom all the way up to 5-bedroom. Yeah, so the schools out here are pretty good. Woodmont High School, Woodmont Middle School, Ellen Woodside Elementary School, and I clocked the distances from here. Hospital, the closest one is Prisma Health, is 4.8 miles. Grocery store, they have a Walmart Marketplace, is 2.7 miles. Simpsonville is only 8.2 miles from here, and Greenville is only 11 miles from here. Oh, and Food Line is 3.6 miles from here. So, as always, if Mike and I can help you find a property out here at Garrison Grove in Simpsonville, South Carolina, or another location, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much. So yes, we just love this subdivision. The location is just wonderful, convenient to everything. So in this video, we're going to be showing you some of the newer homes here, townhomes here, a playground area, a dog park area in the subdivision. We're also going to show you some of these homes that are under construction at this time. So, and we'll also be showing you in this video one of the first phase homes where the owners have personalized the homes themselves a little bit with, additional landscaping, a couple different kinds of fences, and always check with the HOA and the CCRs about different kinds of fences that you are allowed to have. We have sold several Meritage homes. We like them a lot. They're easy to work with. Some things about Meritage homes are these homes are Energy Star certified, which means they are very energy efficient. So there should be no need for solar panels. We like their fair pricing. They offer quick move-in homes, which are also called spec homes, because the builder has already picked out, the colors of everything, okay? And I'll have to say they really do a good job. There's higher end touches out here in these homes that we've seen. Yeah, they do a really good job. They are the 5th largest home builder in the U.S. They do offer a 10-year structural warranty. And one of the things that we really like is they have the tankless hot water heaters in these homes, and I personally have one and we love it. Takes a few minutes to heat up, but after it's heated up it will last. You don't run out of hot water. So yes, these are some of the townhomes, and yeah, very cute. So there should be something, for everybody's budget in this location at Garrison Grove in Simpsonville, South Carolina. As I was saying, the location is very convenient to the interstate, not far from the airport. Just everything, that you would want in a great location, okay? In this subdivision, they offer 7 different floor plans. Prices starting around $300,000. They offer 1-level and 2-level homes, starting with 3 bedrooms all the way up to 5 bedrooms. Yeah, so that's the little tot lot playground, very cute, and the dog park. Thank you so much for joining us. Feel free to reach out if we can help you.